Are you ready to learn some moves and techniques from an Olympic champ? Dati talaga akong barbero. Simula nung may nakapansin sa akin, nakamukha ko daw si Steph Curry. Ayun, pinanindigan ko na. Nung nanalo po ako sa daily, ginamit ko agad po yung premyo para pambili ng cellphone at binigay ko po sa aking nanay at tatay. Naimbitahan din ako ng isang deodorant brand sa kanilang event para kumanap bilang Steph Curry. Success is not an accident. Success is actually a choice.
Stephen Curry ng buhon!
Ngayong araw, pinipili kong maging successful na ultimate ka-look-alike. At sa mga makakalaban ko, night-night!
Rotate your body, come in over, you're spinning it. Rotate your body, come in over, you're spinning it. Rotate your body, come in over, you're spinning it. Make the trumpets blow. Make the trumpets blow. Get up, come here for the gameplay. Get up, come here for the gameplay.
Hindi ka matutulog hanggat hindi mo nasushoot! Hindi ka matutulog hanggat hindi mo nasushoot! Gusto mo yan, sige! Gusto mo yan eh! Bako, sige! Gusto mo yan Steph!
Natulog.
What happened?
What happened to your shooting?
What was the problem? Was it you? Was it the ball? Was it the ring?
Was
the
it the
bed?
Because I'm game basketball.
Pagod. Buzzer na yun, buzzer.
Siya na mismo nagmali sa sinabi niya. Because again, What happened? Tell us!
So nervous.
Steph Curry, shooting from the rainbow corner is just a walk in the park for Steph, right?
I think tulog pa siya.
Okay, palakpakan natin. Kelsey and Argus.
Si Kelsey yan!
Uy, ano?
Sila!
Huwag mo ilolos. Kung kumakabiro ka, sorry po.
Sino ba siya?
Sino ba to?
Senator Amy.
Di siya yan!
Amy Marcos pala to.